Hello guys, my camera just died but I got ready. So now I'm gonna go to a flea market and bring you guys along with me. myself. So I'm back home and I'm so proud of myself because I really wanted to have dinner outside again, like always, and that I stayed disciplined and overcame my inner Schweinehund, we say in German, inner pig dog, because tomorrow I will start a juice cleanse again. That's why I really need to finish all my stuff in my fridge. So I need to get rid of all the things. So the only way is actually to have dinner at home. Also, I feel like, yeah, the next 3 days I'm gonna only drink juices again. So I was really tempted to have a really nice last dinner and indulge myself in some nice things. But yeah, I only have left let me show you guys. Actually, I only have left some sort of salad leaves and then not much. Here are my juices that I'm gonna drink the next days. I have the simplest obsession ever. Recently I left a snack, just cucumbers with some salt and pepper. Oh my god, this is something so simple. Oh no, that's my dinner. I think today I'm just gonna do like volume eating, like eating a bunch of stuff to make me full. I have so much salad left. Water. Then I'm gonna chop up my veggies. This will be such a freestyle dinner again. I don't know, actually today I'm so over the place and I'm just come up with the most random things. Proteins. I'm gonna chop these off. And a secret hack is to chop your salads really finely. Some pickled tomato paste. I think this is the biggest salad I've ever made. Okay, I'm just gonna have my very last thing before my juice cleanse.